Okay, the next one we have is Leonardo's Pizza, and what we're going to do is figure out what the direct materials purchases would be, okay, that budget. And this is a little bit complicated because we've got two sizes of pizza. Okay, that's one thing, that's production volume, but then we've got three different materials for both sizes of pizza, okay? So I would never give you this on an exam. I think it would be hard. I think it's a lot to keep track of. So this is too much data for me to keep it like in front of you here, so make sure that you've got a piece of paper that you can read to see where the data comes from. And I'm going to go back to this. And what I would do is I'd start out, first of all, we've got to figure out what our budgeted volume is. Okay, and instead of having one column of material, we're going to have three. So we'll put the dough and tomato and cheese here. Okay, the dough and tomato and cheese, and then we'll put the budgeted volume. So this is what, number 2? Lorenzo, okay? And we'll do the budgeted volume first. Budgeted volume. And first we have required for a 12-inch pizza. It's going to be 12.5, and for dough it's times 0.8, for tomato times 0.5, and for cheese, I'll move it up here, times 0.7. So this would be 10,000 and 62.50, and then finally 87.50. Okay, and then for, I got hiccups, for a 16-inch, this would be 21.8. What was 21.8? Oh, that's our volume. Okay, that's how many pizzas. So if we have that many pizzas, then for dough, it takes 1.5 times 1.5 times 0.7 for tomato, and for cheese, 1.3. So our numbers here are 32.7. It's tricky though, isn't it? 15,260. And 1.3 is 28,340. Alright. So then we could add this up. This is actually our sales. This is what we need for our sales. So that's 42.7, 262, 51.5. So that says 21.5, 510. Is that right? Oh, we'll see. And then 87.50. I need a calculator. 87.50 and 28,340. $37,090. Okay, and let me check. I'll check this one too as long as I'm here. 62, just to make sure I didn't make a mistake. 62.50 plus 15,260. Yeah, 21,510. That's right. All right. So that's what we need for what we're going to sell. And then what do we have? Desired ending inventory. So this is going to be just like the other problem now. Desired ending inventory is 580 for dough, 185 for tomato sauce, right? And for cheese, it's 340. Can never get enough cheese, right? So this is what we need. Okay, that's needed. So this gives us 43,280, 21,695, and 37,430. Okay, then we subtract beginning inventory. Okay, so it's sales plus desired ending is what we need, minus beginning is what we've got to purchase. Okay, that's what it tells us. So beginning inventory is 490, 230, and 275. Okay, so now 42,790. It seems like a lot of subtotals here, but it's the way that you avoid errors. Okay, there are faster ways to do it, but that's the kind of thing I make a mistake on. 37,155. And if I know something, I don't want to take any chance on losing the points. Now here's our cost per pound. So this is how many pounds to purchase. And here's our price per pound. 220 and 250. So that would be 21,395, 47, 223, and 96, 603. Okay. Alrighty.